In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the kill switch feature on ProtonVPN when you're using a Windows computer. Starting right off, let's begin the process by opening ProtonVPN on your device. Once you've got it up and running, take a look at the interface. Notice the right sidebar? That's where you'll find a handy little settings icon depicted as a gear symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the settings menu where you can make various customizations to your VPN experience. Next, shift your attention to the menu options available and select the one labeled Connection. Now, here's where you can begin to configure the kill switch feature. The kill switch is a crucial tool for enhancing your online security. Essentially, it ensures that your internet connection is protected by automatically blocking your traffic if the VPN happens to disconnect unexpectedly. It's like having a safety net for your data. When you arrive at the Connection tab, you'll see the option for the kill switch. You'll notice that ProtonVPN offers two different choices for this feature. Let's explore them a bit so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. The first option is the standard kill switch. This choice is straightforward. It will block your internet traffic only if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. It's great for everyday users seeking an additional layer of protection without too much complexity. Now, if you're looking for an even more robust safeguard, the advanced kill switch might be the one for you. This option takes security a step further by completely blocking all internet traffic unless you're actively connected to ProtonVPN. It's a more stringent measure, which can be incredibly helpful if you're handling highly sensitive information. Do keep in mind, however, that opting for the advanced setting may require admin privileges or even a system restart to function properly. It's something to consider based on your security needs and technical capabilities. Once you've decided which kill switch option suits you best and have enabled it, you're all set to connect to any VPN server. The great news is that with the kill switch in place, it will automatically remain active as long as you're using ProtonVPN. This means you can enjoy your online activities with greater peace of mind, knowing your internet connection is secure against unexpected disconnections. That wraps up our tutorial. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards securing your online privacy. Remember, a VPN is an essential tool in today's digital landscape, offering both enhanced security and peace of mind while you browse, stream, or work online. Thank you for joining, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to explore other features that ProtonVPN has to offer, ensuring your browsing experience remains as secure and private as possible.